Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. In today's vlog we are going to Butuan City Market again to figure out what have this war or how this war have affected the price of vegetables, and let's watch the video till the end. So here I am already in the market, and here I can see some fresh vegetables. Here I can see cucumber and eggplant. Price of cucumber is 35 per kilo, it's same, and the price of eggplant has doubled at 65 per kilo. And the price of ginger is also same, 100 per kilo. Here we go with other things, and this is onion is 100 per kilo, and it's quite cheaper than earlier. So earlier it was 150 or 160, now it's 100 only. And this is our Indian mango. So it's grown in Philippines but named as Indian mango. So that's all for today. And so prices of vegetables were quite same, not that much big difference. That's all. Thank you very much for watching my video, and if you really like it, so subscribe my channel and stay tuned for upcoming videos.